Zeynep. I am the responsible product manager for Comodo Client Security and ITSM Security. I will start with demonstration first, and we can take your questions last 10 minutes. On chat part, we added forum link for sharing your webinar requests, so we can add our weekly webinar topics and questions about this webinar. After webinar session, we will send the webinar record via emails, your registered emails. During this webinar, we will be talking about how to customize Comodo Client Security and Comodo Communication Client with your company logos, and how to configure options for Comodo Client Security Virtual Desktop. We are providing you easily applied and 100% white labeling ability. Customize your computers with your name and wallpaper icons. We will briefly talk about how to change UI settings via cybersecurity and virtual desktop abilities to make sure you can apply to your customers' devices. You will learn portal settings to be able to rebrand Comodo Communication Client and Comodo Client Security easily. What is benefits of white labeling? It boosts visibility of your brand, strengthens your loyalty of clients, and allows you to take advantage of Comodo Client Security and Comodo Communication Client abilities. We can start with ITSM portal settings. This is my profile. Under configuration templates, we have profiles section. I enrolled my desktop to this profile, and I will change the settings from here. As you all know, we have, let me delete this one first. We have add profile section under profiles menu. You can add profile sections from here. UI settings is for our agents changings for UI. And under UI settings, we have general settings, communication client rebranding, and Comodo Client Security rebranding subtabs. General settings is for mostly for language, widget abilities, show or hide ability, or notification for our agents. It's a general settings for our agents. Under communication client rebranding, we can see a demonstration for our agent UI, and you can briefly see that what we can see is what we can change for our UIs, and it is same for Comodo Client Security rebranding. We can see a demonstration of our agents, and we can see what we can change under UI settings. I will start with changing first. I will change naming. I will change the logo and for Comodo Client rebranding and Comodo Client Security and Comodo Communication Client. And then I will save our changings, and I will show you the agents UI after my changings. We will set a client name. I will write Dream IT, and we can add a customer name. My customer's name will be Customer IT, and you can change your support website. It's a default community Itarian.com. I will change as my company's name, gmit.com, and you can change your support number, same with email. As you can see, while I'm changing, my demonstration will always keep changing. And you can see before you apply where you are changing or what will it be look like on your agents. I will change my customer header logo, and you can see supported PNG format files with resolution. You can always see the right resolution under the browse button. It's important because we don't allow you at another resolution with another type of format of the PNGs. I created for this webinar, and we will select the right resolution here. As you can see, it's changed while I added the logo here, my customer header logo and customer logo. We can browse this one, and I changed, and I can delete from here. Also, I can come their logos inside, and we can delete from here also. And you can see that my company logo is changed. I will continue changing my logos from here, the resolution 9898. This pixels for the perfect match for our resolutions. I keep my icon, and I will change my tray icon also with 1616 resolution. And as you can see, I keep my icon, but I change my tray icon from here. And you can see all Comodo namings are gone for communication client. I will say and apply to my device, and it's successfully saved. And I will continue with Comodo Client Security. First, I will change my customer header logo, and I will browse with resolution 200, 122 and 24. As you can see, it is applied with my company header logo, and I will continue with the other logos, customer logo with it's also changing, and you can see this is the customer logo. I will change my product logo. This is change also. And widget caption. Widget caption is for my agents. Here we have an agent, and we have a Windows widget screen for always on our screen. So I will change my widget icon also. I will keep my product icon here, and I will change my client name. Same with communication client. And under there, we have Comodo Virtual Desktop application, and we can also customize client name, wallpaper icon, and start menu and widget icon for our virtual desktop. This is for our clients, so I will enter my client's name, and I will change the wallpaper icon. Start menu icon, and my widget icon also. After all changings are done, you can see our Windows search part will change with our Dreamity Client Security, and our widget and our agents are completely rebranded. I will save and apply to my computer, and I will open my applications. I will start with communication client. This is all our screens. I will start with ticket screen. This is our ticket screen, and our company names and company logo is here. And this is our about screen for a demonstrating one. And this is our agent. As you can see, this is the same for our changings are applied successfully. And this is our option screen for communication client. And I will continue with Comodo Client Security. I will show you first the screens for our agents, and then I will continue with virtual desktop and the other icons. This is our communication client application. As you can see, we change all of the screens with our new company icons. We can go continue and open other screens, and we can see the logos from here. And I will continue with, I will change my screen, and I will continue with virtual desktop screen. For virtual desktop, we can change our virtual desktop screen from 3 menu. This is our widget screen for CCS, and you can open your virtual desktop from here. Also, under containment task, we have run virtual desktop, and also you can open your virtual desktop by clicking this widgets button. As you can see, our virtual desktop icon and naming is changed. This is our client's name, and this is our client's icon. When you start virtual desktop session, you can see your company's wallpaper icon you set for your virtual desktops, and your start menu icon, and you can see your allowed applications from here, and your client's name either from here. You can pause your virtual desktop. You can switch to Windows view, and when you switch to Windows view, you can see this is our Windows virtual desktop widget screen, and this is also changed with your icon and your customer's name. If you want to close the virtual desktop, you can see our notifications screen is also changed with our company's logo. And after this changings, as we changed our namings, and as you can see, our tooltips are changed with our company's name, and also while we are searching our applications, as you can see, we are completely change our namings and our customers' names for endpoint manager, also for our icons under these widgets also is changed with our company's logo. And what we can do, yes, we changed this UI settings. We can delete our UI settings, and we can turn to our default Comodo Client Security's default settings also. I will exit my applications, and I will come here, edit. You can also completely delete your UI settings section, or you can come here and delete what you write here, and it will goes directly to default settings. I will delete my changings and save. And I will delete for CCS also. You can easily apply your changings from portal, and you can apply to your devices easily. You don't need to restart or reboot your computer, or you don't have to wait too much time for this. You can easily and quickly change your UI settings from from portal and CCS. I will close my applications, and I will write my name, and as you can see, Comodo Client Security namings are changed, and also we can search for Endpoint Manager, and our Endpoint Manager names also change. We can open our application. For example, submit tickets or our about screen we changed before. All changes are returned to their default settings, and it's also same for Comodo Client Security. I will quickly show you that our all screens are changed with Comodo logos, and I will show you quickly for virtual desktop. As you can see, our Comodo virtual desktop namings and icons change as default. This is our default settings screen for virtual desktop. And also you can see our widget screen with Comodo virtual desktop is changed also. We can switch to Windows, and it's and for our notifications are also changed to their defaults. I will end my virtual desktop, and I want to show you our widget screen. I didn't show you desktop widget. You can open under advanced settings and user interface. This is same for our portal general settings for UI changes. And I will open my desktop widget. And this is also changed with default settings. And if you want to change your desktop widget, you can unpin, for example, run virtual desktop section, and or add to taskbar again for easily access to your applications from widget for CCS. And this is all for this webinar's topic, and we can continue with your questions if you have. I will stop sharing. Yes, there is some questions. When will UI profile settings be added for OS or iOS? We are sharing our roadmaps for macOS from forum also. I will share if we add to our roadmaps for the upcoming sprints. I will make you informed about these features. I've noticed that sometimes the icon for branded UI still shows as Comodo, so I've created a separate profile with no UI branding, applied it to a suspected device, and reapplied the profile with rebranding, and it was updated with proper branding. Let's write to this as a note, and we can test it together after session, because we don't know any bugs like this. And if Is there any questions for rebranding? Okay, thank you everyone for your time, and you can share your comments under forum link also, and we will send the webinar record via email. Thank you for your time. See you.